Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking today at Ocean Avenue Elementary School here in Northport, New York on Long Island. I got to speak to the K through fifth graders today and stay after to have lunch with all of them too. So a lot of the emotion that was evoked from some of the stories that I shared about kids their age throughout this country, that we got to talk through it one-on-one. I always like to do that. But the main message today dealt with diversity, differences inside, outside, that we still respect and appreciate our uniqueness that we find in everybody around us, no matter how we're born or the background that we come from, the culture, etc. And that we really choose that kindness and show that as true leaders. So the three themes of diversity, kindness, and leadership I tried to hammer home with the other concepts of one race human, that we see everybody as human beings before anything else. We treat them like you treat your best friend, see them for their heart before anything too, and that we always can show that love, which is truly needed in today's world. We need to always show that and have that compassion and know that in just a couple seconds we can uplift somebody by what we say, that something stays on their heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or similarly we can say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So a lot of what was shared with me today was just students that told me, they're, for whatever reason, they've been bullied in the past at a previous school, or a couple of years ago, whether it was pre-K, kindergarten, that they were made fun of, for something on the outside of just how they were born, or their heights, or they're made fun of for the foods that they choose to eat or how they choose to dress. And I keep telling them that it takes so much energy to be someone you're not, and you don't need to change who you are, that you should let who you are shine through. And in doing so, know that your true best friends, the ones that see you as true miracles, like the M's on all of our poems, upside down for W for worthy and wonderful, that we know those people are the ones that truly are basically like the ones that deserve our time, and that those are the friendships and relationships that we can put our energy into, that we can invest into, because we know that they're always going to have our back, and that once somebody stands up for us, now we can go and give that gift to somebody else by choosing to stand up for them in the case of being bullied or somebody getting teased or picked on, that we can give that gift back and be the voice for the voiceless, the hope for the hopeless. So again, thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. I'm never going to forget your faces. I hope to be back again soon to share in the near future. But until then, keep spreading the peace. Keep shining your lights. Much love. Take care. Peace.